Okay, so we have the 7 paintings, and the paintings will be arranged in a horizontal row. First being closest to the entrance, and the furthest from the entrance. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 7, entrance.
I lied, it's just ordering. I was looking at game 3.
It's alright.
Sorry.
You like to throw us off. T must be closer to the entrance than W. So T is before W. We all got that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. R is closer than M, and exactly 1 in between them. Okay, so R underscore M. Is that what we got?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I guess we're pretty good on this game, huh?
No.
Oh, keep going. Okay. P and S must be next to each other. Okay. They can be in any order, so I got to put the little archy thing.
That's what I missed.
Aha. If V is not in third, it must be in fourth. Okay, that's a wordy way of saying
V's in 3 or 4.
3 or 4. Okay, do we have any floaters? M, R, P, S, T. Oh, M, P, R, S, T. What did I do that for? Do we have any floaters?
Nope.
Okay. So, what should we do now?
Make worlds.
On the basis of what?
So I did 6 worlds in this game.
6.
Yes. But
On
it
the
solves
basis
everything.
Of RM?
V in 3 and 4, and then each of those have 3 locations where R and M could go.
Got it. Okay, let's take a look at one thing here really quick. RM. If it could go here, 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 or here. How many worlds is that?
5.
It's 5.
Okay.
Maybe we should do that. A little
Maybe.
less work.
I feel less complete if we do it that way. Does that do anything differently? Like,
Oh, you did 6, right?
yeah, I just did one with V in every position, and so I guess my question is, which would one of my worlds be invalid then if I did 6, and then you did R in each?
No, you could depending on what you split on, you could have more or less. How many people did worlds? I'm just kind of lazy, Russell. That's all.
Oh, okay. I just wasn't sure if it was like a.
Did you guys do what Russell did as well? Do V going back and forth and then do RM, or did you do PS, or what'd you do? RM. Emma?
Both.
You did both.
I
Okay,
just
so
put V third and V fourth, and then made roads.
that's what
With
Russell
RM,
did.
With RM.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. That's what you did as well?
Yeah, actually I did V and then, actually yeah, no, V and RM.
You did V and RM.
And
Yeah.
then PS.
Okay. And then PS. Yeah. You can split these off once you create them. All right. Let's see here. If we do it on the basis of RM, that would determine V for some of these. It would determine V for this one. It would determine V for this one. It would determine V for this one. It would determine V for that one. It just wouldn't determine V for that one. That's the only one where V would not be determined.
So it is 6 worlds then, because V has.
If you decide to
Okay.
split that
Yeah.
into VV, right?
I was just wondering where that one world went to.
Yeah, yeah. So, I'm going to do it on the basis of RM and then split the last one into 2 Vs. Sound good? We'll end up with 6. Are you guys okay with that, Kent? Your complaints? Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, do you know why I created 3 lines?
Because you can do top bottom.
I can do top bottom. Saves time, right? So we got to write out our assumptions first. So RM, RM, RM. Oh, shoot. That's not what I wanted to do. Well, anyways, I'll keep going, but I'll come back up here. This sucks.
No, fix it.
No, fix it. Fix your problems, Ben. Face your challenges. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what I meant to do was do RM here. You guys okay with that? And then we will continue down this glorious path. RM, RM, and then the last one is RM, and we're actually going to do this one twice because we're going to have to put V in 3 and then V in 4. So now we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 worlds. Are you guys okay with that? Now this might seem like a lot of work, but the reality is this game is going to be over once this is done, right? So, which ones can we fill in? Let's start with the first world. What can we add here?
V.
V has got to go in 4, right? Because M is in 3. What's left?
PS.
PS, and where's that going to go?
In either the last two, in either 6 or 7 or 5 or 6.
Yeah, so I'm just going to put it above here, floating, because it's like a block and it's floating up there. Who's it going to be floating with?
W.
W. So I'm going to put I just do W in that, and then that's going to force T to go there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Done. Okay. What about down here?
V.
V, same deal. V goes here.
T goes up front.
T goes up front because it's got to come before W, and P and S can't go there. So then same thing. I'm actually just going to leave this all just right here, right? That's just what happened in those last 3. Okay? Now, what should we do down here?
V.
V is going to go into 4. V is going to go into 3. Sound good? Ooh. This is interesting. What's up with these? Let's start with this one. What can I put here?
Yes, or
TW.
TW.
Yeah, so let's put PS with an arc, and then really this is going to be switching back and forth with TW, right? Which is in this order. So it's just going to go back and forth. Okay? Down here, what should we do down here?
PS.
PS. I keep feeling like we're having like an email exchange or something. PS. Now, what's going to go in these two?
T then W.
TW, Dunzo. Do you guys ever say that anymore, or is that just like stupid? Well, I'm going to start saying it. Okay, what should we do here?
Yes.
PS, it's the only place it can go. And then we have TW, it's done. What about down here?
PST.
Yeah, PS has got to be in this first thing. T has got to be a floater in this first thing, and then W's got to come back here. All right, what questions do we struggle with? Let's go through them really fast. For question 17, what should we do even though we created worlds? Yeah, just go back to the rules, right? So the easiest rule here is V has to be 3 or 4. That's going to get rid of E, right? Another rule that's easy is TW. What's that going to get rid of? B, right? Another rule is PS. What's that going to get rid of? D. Guys, I'm beating you on all these. Sorry, I'm just putting you under the fire here. Okay, so we've gotten rid of B, D, and E. We're left with A and C. What's the last rule? Oh, MR, right? Or RM, sorry. RM, that's a problem with A. It's switched, so it's RM, which is C. Yay. Sound good? Mm-hmm. Okay. 18, if S is 7. Okay, so if S is 7, we could do this world or this world, right? These are the only 2 worlds we could do. Are we cool with that?
Yeah.
Or the first 3, basically. Which one of the following could be the position that T is in? Well, it could be in first, second, or first, right? Or what's this? This is... Oh no, P is not... I can't do that world. That's P isn't last. So, first or second. And we have second. Okay, let's keep going. If P is 5th. If P is 5th, that's these 2 worlds. That's it. It's these 2 worlds. So, which one of them must be true? M is in 4th? No. R is in 2nd? No. S is in 6th? Why does S have to be in 6th if P is here? It's got to be next to it, right?
Yep.
So it's going to be PS. Even though they can go back and forth, in this particular world, it's going to be 6. Okay. 20, skip, because it's not an if question. Although, let's just do it, because the rest are if. Any one of the following could be in the 3rd position except. Okay. Well, who can be 3rd? M and V, R and V,
ST.
S, T, and P, right? Okay, pretty much everything except for, what did we not see here?
W.
W, right? Like, you guys see how P, S, and T could all be 3rd? P and S is going back and forth. Okay, W is the answer. Kent, you cool with that? All right, let's keep going. 21. If R and M are both between T and W, which one following could be true? Oh, R and M are both inside of T and W? Well, that doesn't happen here, but it does happen here. it doesn't happen here, 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 or here. So it only happens in this one right here, in the second world. R and M are inside of T and W. So, which one of the following could be true? Could P be fifth? That's answer choice A. Yeah, it could be. Done. Okay, let's keep going. 20. If there's exactly one painting between T and W, which one of the following must be true? If exactly one between T and W, we don't have that here, here, here. Oh, we do have it here, and we do have it here. So these two worlds, right? Sometimes I'll actually put my fingers next to the worlds when I'm doing this, so I don't lose track of them. Which one of the following must be true? What's true about both of these? You get if you look over these, right? The only thing that has to be true about both of them is V is third. I mean, you could say P and S are in the first two, but they're going back and forth. Answer choice E says V is third. All right, you guys ready for the last one? Okay. If T is next to V, which one of the following is a pair of paintings in which the one mentioned first must be closer to the entrance than the one mentioned second? Okay, if T is next to V, we're not here, we're not here, we're not here, we're not here, we're here, right? If T is next to V, this is what we're looking at right here. Worlds 5 and 6. Which one of the following must be closer to the front? Does it have to be PS? No. Does it have to be RW? RW, RW. Yes, R has to be closer to the front. So the answer is B. Sound good? Questions on this game? Are these the worlds that we ended up with? Or at least something close?
I was missing two.
Missing world 2?
2 worlds.
Ah, 2 worlds. That's alright. How'd it go for you?
I didn't get to finish, but the ones that I did were right. I just noticed later that I was missing.
Okay. Did you feel like the worlds made them go faster or? Cool. Okay, no more questions? Alrighty.